How to fix Vanguard error Van 81 in League of Legends? First step, open Riot client, click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. Click League of Legends, scroll down, click repair and start repair. Wait for some time, it's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete update will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK. Next step, open Windows Defender Firewall, click settings, click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, click change settings, scroll down, search for Riot client and League of Legends. It should be enabled in both private and public. Both League of Legends and Riot client should be enabled in private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application itself not having means you need to add the application. Click allow another app, click browse, click C drive, Riot Games, League of Legends. You get the application. Riot client, you get the Riot client application. Click it and add it. Once adding after, enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Move on with next step. Right click this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click it. Click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. Wait for some time. Once the scanning complete after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. Click OK. Right click League of Legends. Click properties. Click compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. After completing the next step, click settings. Click system settings. Click display settings. Scroll down. Click graphic settings. Search for League of Legends. Open it. The GPU preference is depends on you. You can set it as high preference or power saving or let Windows decide. But the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure it restart your device.